Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two powerful graphics cards from Gigabyte, the GeForce RTX 3060 and the Radeon RX 7800 XT. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and pricing to determine which card offers the best value for gamers. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end powerhouse, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 is a solid choice for gamers looking to play at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. It offers good performance with its 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, allowing for smooth gameplay at higher settings. However, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT takes the lead with its superior performance, designed for high-end gaming at 1440p and even 4K resolutions. With 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and a wider memory bus, it provides ample bandwidth for demanding applications and future-proofing for upcoming games. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a graphics card. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 is priced at an affordable $319, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT comes with a premium price tag of $499. While it offers superior performance, the higher cost may not be justifiable for every gamer, especially those who primarily play at lower resolutions. Memory specifications play a crucial role in a graphics card's performance. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 features 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming scenarios. However, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7800 XT boasts 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing more headroom for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. This additional memory can be particularly beneficial for gamers looking to future-proof their setups as games continue to evolve and require more resources. In conclusion, both the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 and the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7800 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 3060 is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget, while the RX 7800 XT is perfect for those seeking top-tier performance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.